to the channel today. Today we're going to be changing the battery in this Vauxhall flip key. Today you're going to need a 2032 battery. These are available in most stores. We'll pop that to one side. We'll pick the key up, just double check it's exactly the same as yours before we start the replacement. Okay, if we look on the edge of the key, there is a cutout there. Now the back can be a little bit stiff coming off this one, especially if it's never been removed before. So just get a small screwdriver and place it in there, and just be careful that, because the recess isn't that deep, that you don't slip. So just hold the key firm, put some pressure on, and as you can see it just lifted slightly. Now try and go in now under the little recess. So as you can see, I've gone in underneath. Once I'd lifted it in there a little slightly, I've gone in underneath, and that releases the back of the key. Now sometimes on these the battery can pop out, and as you can see the battery is half clipped out as it is. So just be careful, and the battery is placed in positive side up. So we'll just pop that down a minute. The positive side is always the smooth side, the negative side is the domed edge. So we'll get the new battery and just carefully place that in under the lip edge there. Now it does clip in, but they don't clip in firmly on these, so it may pop up, but as long as it's in place, the back of the key will hold the battery in place. So just keep that edge of the back over first, line everything up nicely, and that should just clip back into place. And as you can see, that's all now back into place. That's the battery swapped, and that's job done on your Vauxhall flip key remote. I hope that was helpful for you today. Please give us a like and subscribe. Check out our other videos, and we'll see you soon.